Hello guys, welcome to ASP Hero. Today we are going to learn about iframe in HTML. What iframe does is we can bring another website into our own website. Yes, if we have one website and we want to display another website in that, then we need iframe. Let's start. Let's give title iframe, and inside body part we write the code for iframe like this. Main thing inside iframe is an attribute called src attribute, and inside src we write the path of that new website which we want to embed in our website. Like I want to embed GoDaddy inside my website, then we can write the URL of GoDaddy like this. In this way we can embed iframe. Let's check it in our browser. In this way we get GoDaddy website in our website in very small box, and you can increase the length and height of the box here with the attributes width and height. Let's give width 500 and height 700. Let's check it now. In this way we get another website inside our own website. So guys, in this way we can embed the iframe inside our website. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.